Hi, this is the new silent fan from Vent-Axia, and today we're going to look at the easy wiring and installation feature. So to wire the silent fan, simply slide the front grille to the right hand side and using a small flat-headed screwdriver depress the clip on either side of the rear, removing the inner grille. All 8 models are IPX5, so they can be fitted into zone 1 and have full water ingress protection covering the whole of the inside of the fan. There's a fixings point on each corner and an area on the top right hand side operated via a living hinge that when opened exposes the cable entry point, the easy to use fixings block and a spirit level to help you fit the fan level. Let's pass the cable through. Fit, tighten the cables and close the hinged area. Replace the inner cover till you hear it click and the outer grille. And we're all ready to go.